Okay, let's make an origami Christmas tree. Okay, so we will need some paper and we'll also need a pair of scissors. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to fold this corner up to the top right corner like this, make a crease there. Okay, open it up. Now we'll fold this side down to the bottom right side. Okay, I'm going to open that up and now we'll turn it over. Fold the top down to the bottom. Okay, open it up, we'll fold the right side to the left side. Okay, make a nice crease along there, nice strong crease. Okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to fold this together, push it together, okay, so that it looks like that. Okay, make the creases there. Okay, turn it around. We've got this stuff at the bottom here. Okay, take this side, lift it up, put your finger inside. Okay, I'm going to push this down. Okay, this line is along here. We'll push that side down, push that side down. Okay, now we're going to fold this side over. Okay, we'll do the same again for this side. Okay, put your finger inside, push it down. Okay, fold here. Make a nice crease there, okay? Let's turn it over. We'll do the same thing again. Okay, push that bit down there. Okay, make a nice crease there. Okay, and again, we're going to fold this bit here. Fold that over like that, okay? Okay, last one, we'll do the same thing. Okay, open it up. Okay, push it down. Nice crease there. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to take your scissors and we're going to cut this bit off. Okay. Now we're going to make 3 cuts. One there, one there, another one there. Okay. I turn it around and we'll do the same again. 1, 2, okay, 3, and now we are going to fold each of these over. Okay, fold it over like this. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, fold this bit over and do it again. Okay, fold these sides over like this, okay? You keep doing that. So this, we are making the leaves of the tree. Okay, fold it over again. Okay, do it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll do this side as well. Okay, fold it over, fold it over, fold it over. Okay. Okay, again, fold, fold, fold. Okay, nearly there. Fold, fold, and fold. Okay, here's the last one, last side. Okay, fold, again, last one, fold. Okay, we open that up a little bit. And here we have an origami Christmas tree. Okay, there we go. Merry Christmas.